Hey everyone, welcome back to Cozy Car Covers. You're in the right place if you want to upgrade your ride with stylish and comfortable seat covers. Today, we're diving into the GIANT PANDA customized car seat covers for the Toyota Highlander 2015-2023 models, including the 3-row versions. So what makes these seat covers stand out? First, they're custom fit for the Toyota Highlander, ensuring a snug and perfect fit. No more slipping and sliding around. These covers are made from premium faux leather, giving you that luxurious look and feel without the hefty price tag. All right, let's talk design and quality. The GIANT PANDA seat covers come in sleek black with red stitching, adding a sporty yet classy touch to your car's interior. The faux leather is not just for show, it's waterproof, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. Did you spill your coffee? No worries, wipe it off and you're good to go. Now let's dive into the key features. These covers come with fully enclosed headrests and backrests, providing complete seat protection. They also have a non-slip bottom layer, which keeps them in place, even on those long road trips. Plus, they're compatible with airbags, so you don't have to compromise on safety. How do these compare to similar products? The GIANT PANDA covers offer a better fit and finish than other brands. Some generic covers look okay initially, but bunch up and wear out quickly. With these, you're getting a product that looks great and is built to last. Let's break down the pros and cons of the GIANT PANDA customized car seat covers. On the plus side, these covers are custom fit for the Toyota Highlander, ensuring a perfect fit that won't slip or bunch up. They're made from premium faux leather, luxurious, waterproof, and easy to clean, a real lifesaver for spills. The non-slip bottom layer keeps them securely in place, and they're compatible with airbags, so you don't have to sacrifice safety for style. On the downside, the color options are limited, so if you're looking for something other than black with red stitching, you might be out of luck. They also come with a slightly higher price tag than generic seat covers. However, the quality and durability make these covers a worthwhile investment for anyone considering upgrading their car's interior. In conclusion, if you own a Toyota Highlander and want to add a touch of luxury and practicality to your ride, the GIANT PANDA customized car seat covers are a fantastic choice. They may be a bit pricier than generic covers, but the investment is worth it for the quality and durability you get. Whether you have kids or pets or want to keep your car looking pristine, these covers are a great addition. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car's interior, click the Amazon link below to know more. Please subscribe to our channel for more car seat cover reviews. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know what car seat covers you use and love. Until next time, keep it cozy, gearheads.